I'd like to show you how to remove and reinstall the support arm for a Brother printer. It's a little bit fiddly if you have no idea what you're doing, so with just a couple of easy steps, it's really simple. So make sure your printer's against a wall or something to support the scanner once it's lifted up and the arm's taken away. Lift up your scanner. You can see the support arm right here, and what you need to do is find the top part of the arm, put a finger right at the back of it and gently pull it downwards towards you while putting a little bit of force, and it'll come away. So lean the cover against the wall, and to remove it, all you do is lift it up to a 90-degree angle and pull it out. Really easy. Now, when you need to reinstall it, just have a look at it and make sure the metal tabs here are towards the top of the scanner. And you can see there's a little knob here. That needs to slot in first. Slot that in first, and then that should all push in nice and easy. The arm itself just slots into the bracket, and that is it. Really simple. If you do put it in the wrong way around, it's a real pain to get out. You'll need like a flathead screwdriver, and you will need to use a little bit of force, but be careful not to accidentally crack it. It's a real pain. It's happened to me. And that's the video, guys. Thanks.